Hey, how you doing, and welcome back to the 12 Markets of Christmas. We're up to day 3 and today we are in Edinburgh. So the Edinburgh Christmas Market is open between the 15th of November and it runs until the 4th of January. Most days the market is open between 10 AM and 10 PM. You do get slight variations on Christmas Eve, Boxing Day and New Year's Eve. And you'll find around East Princess Street Gardens 71 artisan chalets selling Scottish crafts, various drinks and food. Edinburgh's Christmas Market is one of the most famous in Europe, and it regularly ranks in the top 10 Christmas markets in Europe, and it draws around 2 million visitors each year. So we're going to take a look around as we walk around the market and see what kind of stalls they've got and what kind of food and drinks you can find. Lots of Christmas ornaments. Find all your Christmas decorations here. You can see with this one you've got ornaments for your Christmas tree. As you can see, it is really busy, so we're going to have to kind of dodge people as we move around.
Go down it and then
handmade Edinburgh gifts here.
No, this is what I wanted to show you.
That's what we like to see. German beer and mulled wine. We will have a drink at some point as we explore this market here in Edinburgh, but as you can see as we move around here, there are lots of stalls selling kind of crafts and gifts. And then you move away from the gifts and you're up to food, selling street waffles, which if you've seen my A to Z when I went to Amsterdam, that's what I had. Pies and fries. Another stall selling beers and various spirits. You're going to no doubt get all your whiskies here. This section where the side of the National Gallery And here's another stall selling various drinks, mulled wine and German beer, soft drinks. And then just to the right hand side here you get an absolutely beautiful view out into the old town of Edinburgh. Carry on making our way down along the gardens. You can get the view out into the gardens as well. There's some kind of pods down there where you can rent them out if you've got a group of you and have your drinks down there. There's the National Gallery. So this section around here is where lots of food and drinks, so you can get hot chocolates and coffees. And we move around, and as we move around here I can smell the onions being fried. So you can get your bratwurst. Now you can get your pickles. You can get German sausage, bratwurst, currywurst. See the different options there and the prices. More food options over here with mac and cheese, grilled salmon, and cooked over the hot coals. And here is where you can get your crepes filled with all the different options with Nutella and bananas, strawberries. We'll make our way down this way. There's more food options. We've got the Mouse House Cheese Company over here. I always find that the cheese stalls seem to be really busy when you come to the markets. We've got mulled gin, pancakes and coffee shops down that way. More food places. That one's selling mulled punch. Fresh donuts and hot chocolates here. You got all the different, the Biscoff, Nutella, Cadbury's hot chocolate, and you got the Edinburgh Christmas Annual Bear. Get Yorkshire pudding wraps. I'm not like kids as well if you want to go on a helter-skelter. Before we head back round to some more stalls. As you walk around this market you can clearly see why it's one of the most popular not only in the UK but also all around Europe, with the size of it and the variety of food and drink options and all the stalls selling all the Christmas gifts and crafts and all the local produce. There's a massive stall selling Christmas gifts. Kids would love all that Mickey Mouse stuff over there and the Stitch. Not only can you go on the helter-skelter, you can get a beer afterwards as well. And then across from there you've got a crepe and waffle stand. Starting at £7, then an extra cost for all the various toppings and fillings. Little ride there. So let's go and find somewhere to get a drink before we close off this tour around Edinburgh Christmas Market. So I was going to flip a coin to decide what I was going to drink, either a mulled wine or a beer. But seeing as we did a mulled wine yesterday in York, I'm going to go and get a beer in this stand here behind me. So let's go over there and check it out. Got my beer from that stall. This is a Barney's Volcano IPA. And if you can believe this costs £10 and 12p. So this better be good. Cheers everybody. That is really, really good. Expensive, but nice. So that's day 3 done here in Edinburgh. It's time to move on to day 4. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. There is a link in the description below to the playlist for this 12 Markets of Christmas series. Do hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get updates when new videos are released. And I will see you tomorrow for day 4.